This is what we've got today to open. It is a Pokemon Shining Legends box. Before we get started, big thank you to everybody who's subscribed and liked the videos. Really appreciate it. I'm going to try to keep posting videos as often as I possibly can. Now this box I've actually never seen before. I walked into Toys R Us today and they just had so many of them. So I'm like, yeah, sure, I'll give it a shot. I'm not going to look at trying to complete the total Shining Legends collections. I don't want to go down another rabbit hole, but I need some packs to open to hold me over, actually, until I get the Sword and Shield booster box on Tuesday. So let's take a look at what we get here. Throw this away. Pikachu has fallen. He's not happy. Alright, we got this cool looking Zora card. I'm not familiar with him, but cool looking. Very cool looking. You get a pin of that character. Does it zoom in? There we go. Focus, not zoom in, focus. Nope, Charmander is trying to take the attention away. Alright, well, you guys saw it. That's pretty neat. Then we get 3 packs. 2 of my packs have Rayquaza, and then 1 of them has Mewtwo. I'm not sure exactly what we can get in here. But let's see. Everything here will be new to me. I will not have opened it before or anything of that sort. So it's all going to be new. So I always like that. I always like getting new stuff I'm not familiar with. Oh, the code card came backwards. There you go. Is there a trick to this one? Let's find out. 4. Okay, Dark Energy, Pokemon Breeder, Lily, Ultra Ball, Minim. That's a nice looking card. I don't think I have any Minim cards, so that is cool. Larvesta, Torkoal, Ivysaur. I like that Ivysaur card. That's a nice looking Ivysaur card. Zorua, which is that what he evolves from? Yep, there you go. Perfect. That works out. Put him there with his Ren Energy Retrieval and Latios. Very nice looking Latios card. I like that. I don't know if any of you guys play Pokemon Go, but I think it was last weekend they had the Latias, I think, and Latios raid, and man, they were a pain in the butt to catch. I completed on the Friday evening. I did 4 raids, and all 4 they got away, which is super awesome. And then went out again Saturday. Saturday I did 6 raids. I caught 2 Latias, and then I have to wait till Monday morning to finally catch 2 Latios. Fraligator. That's cool. I like that. Fraligator's not like a rare in this line. I like him. He's one of my favorite. That's a really cool card, but he's just an uncommon. He's not rare. I like that card. I know he's not a rare or anything, but I like that card. I'm a fan of his. So I'm going to put it up there. Golett. Krokina. Go beside Fraligator there. Litten. Larvesta. Breloom. Super Scoop Up. So that's 2 Reverse Hollow Training cards. And Keldeo. Very nice. I like it. Very nice. Alright. On to the last pack, which is the Mewtwo. How dare they do that to Fraligator? It should always be a rare. It's unacceptable. I don't know. What do you guys feel about Fraligator? I'm a big fan. And then we're gonna have a Totodile here, which is also a cool looking card. Huh. Alright. 2, 3, 4. Venusaur. Also, what's going on with this line here? Venusaur is also not a rare. Huh. Put it in there too. I like Venusaur. Tertium, double color synergy. Totodile. Torkoal. Pikachu. It's a nice looking Pikachu. Jinx. Super creepy looking Jinx. I mean, Jinx always looks kind of weird, but this one. Shroomish. Versatile Litten. And Manaphy. Alright, very cool. Very cool. And you know what? I'm not done. I am not done. We're not ending it like that. I've got Cosmic Eclipse. Some Cosmic Eclipse to end off the video. Relegated and Venusaur? I don't know how you do that. I think they should always be rare, so it's backwards as well. Very rarely have that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rapidash, Brava, Probopass, Pancham, Drillbur, Tangela, Eevee, In the Rain. I don't know if I have this one. Duskull, Versatile Flabebe. I am not a fan. And Cradily. Don't have this guy. So that is good to add to the collection. Put him there. Next Cosmic Eclipse card pack. See what we got. There is your code, people. Good luck. If you guys have redeemed some codes, you know, maybe save 1 or 2 for somebody else. Sharing is caring. Cosmog, Reverse Hollow Apom, and Dragonite. Give me 1 second. You guys can look at my toy collection there for a very quick second. There we go. All right. Set this back up. So that was a Dragonite. I also don't think I have him, so that's good. They're not rares, but to me, they are new, and they get to go in my Cosmic Eclipse collection. I get to finish it off. Will Mimikyu. I don't think I have that one either. I'm putting that there. Put that in my binder after. Beastie, Dimple, Piplup, Cosmog, Ponyta, Crabrawler, Buswell, Reverse Hollow Rare. I do not have him. Ultra Beast, that is a cool Reverse Hollow, and Alolan Muck, which I have. That is cool. That is cool. And there have been a lot of likes in my videos recently, and I appreciate all the subscribers. So here are some bonus, oh, there we go, codes that you can redeem online. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and have a good day. Bam. Done.